Okay, good morning. So I will try to do this like the startup way. So I'm introducing you the WestMED network project. So we started basically on mapping the challenges. So the challenges, as you can see here, for the blue economy sector are pretty much important. So we have the seasonality, we have the sustainability, we have the skills shortage, we have accessibility issue, and in particular, as our project was focused on SMEs, some burdens, administrative and bureaucratic burdens on the tourism SMEs. But then, as you can see in this picture, crowding, so over-tourism, is also something very important when traveling in Europe, and it's not the only problem. In fact, this image is worth 1,000 words, because you see that we have a great problem related to pollution, and plastic in particular, affecting the health of our people on the planet and also the planet itself. And then, what is the core of our project? So future generation. As you can see in this picture, our children are super digitally connected, but also addicted to that, in particular where they are on holidays. And you can see also the teens is pretty much the same. They cannot enjoy what they have around them. Again, with the opportunity, with the challenges, we also map the opportunities out there. So the coastal and marine tourism represent at least 50% of the global tourism industry, and in particular this is true for remote destinations in Ireland, where our project is based. And it's also something that is introducing a lot of opportunity as well in terms of jobs creation, in terms of value, in terms of sustainability, with a particular focus on these 5 important sectors, and the tourism is one of them. And now, going into the West Mediterranean, a few fun facts as we defined them during the project. So the West Mediterranean is rich in cultural heritage, with very gastronomic delights and also breathtaking natural landscapes. So it's something that we need to exploit. And so we came up with a solution. This is our project, the WestMED network project, traveling aware of our footprint, and is of course targeting the youth and the kids traveling in the school trip tourism. So our core activities were in principle to support the stakeholders in tapping into this potential. Then we developed a capacity building program, and we will see later on the details. And then we try to boost innovation and digitalization in a very good way, where in the tourism sector we develop transnational eco-smart tourism packages, and we try to, of course, empower the tourism SMEs. So here are our assets. A capacity building program for tourism SMEs. We have 120 SMEs registered. It's an online free training program. You can still tap into that. Then we develop a capacity building program for the schools, for the teachers, and for the kids traveling during, before, and after the trip. And then, of course, the innovative tourism packages that we piloted in 4 different countries with 4 different schools, in Spain, in Italy, in Mauritania, and in Portugal, of course. And here are some examples of the Spanish and Italian trips. I don't know if I can just click on the video, because I don't know if this is something that can be, run. But there was a marvelous video that the students from Italy ran in Spain during their trip, thanks to the Balearic Marine Cluster. They did a very wonderful job for organizing the trip. Potential in the very last 10 seconds. So we created the WestMED School Alliance for gathering together all the educational institutions in the West Mediterranean, and of course the Academy to empower your blue skills. And that's all. The partners, X23, 3 National Tourism Board, and Turismo de Portugal and the Maritime and Tourism Office, the Balearic Cluster, Travel Without Plastic, and ISTO. And that is what I can share with you for now. But if you want to catch up during the labs, I'm here, and my team is here as well. Thank you very much, I did it.